Hey guys, how's it going? How to create animated storyboards with Runway ML. So first of all, go ahead and open up the app. So what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the plus button. You have two options. You can add your own video and animate it, or you can use the act on to add image or video. So I'm gonna hit generate right here if you want to use the act one feature, and then add the photo or the video, right? And then hit generate at the bottom. Or if you want to add your own video to animate it, you can just do that by clicking that big button right here, add a driving performance. And let me go back. And another option, you can just go out and click the plus button and use video to video. I'm gonna use video to video. I'm gonna add my own video, right? I'm gonna take like this kind of video right now, right? I'm gonna move my head this kind of, then hit confirm right here, and then you're gonna wait for a few moments until the video is on, until the video is uploaded, and basically you're gonna hit add style. Okay, and from here you're gonna be able to animate kind of your own video now, right? I'm gonna this, as you can see right here, this is the video. Add the style, and then add the animation, and then hit generate at the bottom right. Okay, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.